What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna be making another mukbang video. This time I'm gonna be eating a Jimmy John's sandwich because my grandma got me it for lunch. I live with my grandma, by the way. Please don't judge me. This sandwich feels really warm. I hope it doesn't have any lettuce in it. I hate lettuce. God, that smells good. Look at that. Tell me this don't look good. I swear. Anyways, let's eat it. Also, if you're wondering what flavor this is a chicken bacon ranch sandwich. Just to let y'all know. It tastes really good. I'm glad they didn't put lettuce in it. Mm. Jimmy John's, you're really showing out. You really are. Yeah, I've always liked Jimmy John's anyways. And I'm glad I got it for lunch today. Now let's eat the other sandwich. Oh yeah, also I forgot to mention, I also got chips from Jimmy John's. I'm not gonna eat them all, but I am gonna eat a few for this video. Mm, the ranch is slipping out of the sandwich. Still tastes good though. Ew, there's some hair in the sandwich. Gross. I still like the sandwich, but I don't like the hair in it. Alright. I have finished the sandwich. Overall, I think I'd give it a 9 out of 10. I would have given it a 10 out of 10 had it not been for the hair. But apart from that, the sandwich was pretty peak. No, anyways. Now, I'm gonna try some of the chips, and then I'll end this video. These chips taste really good. Ten out of 10. These chips are a 10 out of 10 because these chips actually taste really good. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and bye.